Which countries have the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth? Let's count down the top 5 most beautiful countries. Number 5. South Africa. From Table Mountain to Kruger National Park, it's packed with unforgettable scenery and wildlife. Number 4. New Zealand. Famous for dramatic mountains, crystal clear lakes, and landscapes featured in blockbuster movies. Number 3. Canada. Home to the Rocky Mountains, turquoise lakes, vast forests, and spectacular waterfalls. Number 2. Norway. World famous for its majestic fjords, northern lights, and breathtaking coastal views. Number 1. Switzerland. Snow-capped Alps, charming villages, and pristine lakes make it one of the most beautiful countries on Earth.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Only Top 5 for more amazing Top 5 videos.